bought it as a donor car because it has this very reliable 5.3 engine, which will fit perfectly in my 1953 Chevy pickup, which I'm building from the ground up. I've just taken the water pump out. It needs to be changed anyway. I shouldn't put an old water pump onto an engine when I get it out. Many videos makes it very easy to take engines out. It is not. I'm not a mechanic. I'm actually a photographer, but I have done a little bit of car building. So I've taken on this project to build my 53 and to use this Taho with its great engine. I am actually going to keep the computer. There's so many things about fuel injection, so I am definitely keeping that. Quite a few days more before I'm actually going to be able to lift this little monster out of its bay.